Hello and welcome to another video of campers.eu. In this video I want to go over one of our stock cars. As you might know, we're also a dealer for the Tourne Mobil campers. These are larger campers based on the Peugeot Boxster, and they're 5 meters 99 long, so they're a little bit bigger than what you're used to from us with the 5 meter California and Campster and Nugget, but still it's a very good camper van and we would love to show you one. We have them in different colors. Behind me here you can see a red one, but the one we're going to take a look at today is the white one we have up front. So if you walk with me, we will go there. So here's the Tourne Mobil 6 meter version. I first want to go over do a small van tour with you guys to let you know how this thing works and what you have. And then we're going to go over the options that this car has. As you can see, this is a white one, and this is you have it in different kind of engines. This is the bigger engine, the 165 horsepower engine, and you can see there's a lot of black around the wheel base here. That's because this is a heavy duty version. It's the heavy version. You have bigger brakes and a little bit higher stance of the car. And again, this is based on the Peugeot Boxster. It has a manual gearbox, a 6-speed gearbox. And in this version that you see here is the edition version. And you can see that because it comes with the black wheels, and on the inside it has part leather interior. And these nice stickers on the side. We think it gives the car a great look. So if first walking around this car, you can see the awning is on there. And here in the back, I'll show that in a minute. First things you notice is that we have the really flat windows on the Tourne. They are way more expensive, but way cooler. It gives them more automotive look. We really like that. And then so this is standard on every Tourne. And then when you walk in, you can see the interior is very light. It has a beautiful wood, beautiful wood and a thin table, and you can see the partly leather seats in here. You see that? Yeah. And then when you walk to this side, you can see the bathroom over there. A bit lower. There you go. Bathroom. And if we walk in, you can see the bed in the back. It's 140 in width, and there's a decent size. Most people will fit in here. You see that in most of these camper vans that you lay sideways in the camper. Again, the bathroom with a toilet and a sink. It's also a shower, and there's a slider. You can close it with the slider. You have the other side. You have a big fridge. Go a little bit higher again. Big fridge. This one is 90 liters, and it has a freezer function as well for your ice creams. And then of course you have the sink and the 2-burner hob. And now why did we start to sell these cars? Because we love a lot of details of this car. So I would like to go over them with you. First of all, what we love is this car is designed for Scandinavia. So the isolation in this car is amazing. All the side paneling, the roof and the floor are all very well insulated. So you can get it pretty warm. It's one of the best cars if you want to go and explore. And then we love the light interior. We love the way it looks, the way it feels. We love the materials, the quality of the materials, the thinness of the wood. And we love the clever ideas. Tourne came up with some really clever ideas. And I'll put the camera low again. So here you don't have normal doors, but you have slide drawers and not one but two, and that's what you've seen that before, but have you also seen that on the lower part? Again, very clever, because then you don't have to go on your knees to get stuff. It's very easy to see. Drawers everywhere, and even though normally if you have a door it's very hard to do, but you can slide this part out and have an extra seat. There are even cushions for that. Let me get one. So there are cushions for that, so you can sit there or put your feet there. Slide it back. You can extend the kitchen very easily. Just lift it up. Boom. Very clever. Then there is in the middle section of the car here. Oh, down here, there is floor heating all the way. It isn't that hot that you burn your feet, but it keeps the cold out, which is quite nice. Like I said, the big fridge, and one of the clever things that I really like. You see a lot of people that buy these cars. They tend to make a lot of adjustments to it to make it suit their needs. Examples are hooks. People tend to put a lot of hooks into their cars, but Tourne thought, let's do that for them, because you can see on here a lot of hooks, and then to the other side more hooks. We love hooks. And then of course not a lot of people take a shower in the bathroom, but what you do, you hang your coats there. If you came from a walk in Scotland and you're soaking wet because it rained again, you want to hang your coat somewhere to dry, and down here there's a drainage, of course, so it's a very good place to hang your coats. So they made a bar over here. If I reach it, yeah, there's a bar over here. You can hang your coats very easily, and we love clever ideas like that. And then the Tourne, one thing that really stands out is the standard equipment. So every Tourne comes with a long list of standard equipment, and I think it's time to go over that. So of course you have your the creature comforts from Peugeot, and that includes air conditioning is standard, a leather steering wheel is standard, the cruise control is standard, a tow bar is standard on every car. We'll show that in a minute to the back. All that stuff comes standard with that. And then Tourne adds a Kenwood navigation system with DAB radio and a rear view camera, which is always quite nice. You have these on top you have the large Heikki roofs, not one but also one above the bed down there in the back, also a large one, and a smaller one in the toilet area. So that's standard. It comes standard with the awning and the LED light there. You can see the light above and the awning is standard as well. Put lower again. And it comes standard with a fly screen for mosquito fly screen. It's up here. Look at that. It comes standard with a large tab. Electronically it goes in and out. And then when we move, it's time to move to the back of the car. You see a sticker here on the back. It says Dream 4 system. The front, you can make. I've added a picture on the website, a few pictures. You can very easily make a bed up here as well. So it's really a 4-person camper. And to prove it's a 4-person camper, Tourne did something cool. So let's walk to the back and show you again. There's place down here for the tow bar. Up. You can see the rear view camera. And down here you see the bed, and you see there's a comfort mattress already. It's standard equipment on every Tourne. But you see more stuff down here. You see the mattresses for up front, And then again, there's another comfort mattress also for up front. So even if the bed in front is very comfortable. And you have your pillows and blankets and sheets and covers. Everything is included in this car, which is amazing value, I think. So it has, like I told you, it has a diesel powered heating system. And it comes with gas. You cook on gas, and the boiler, the warm water, is also on gas. That's why it saves a lot of space, and because you can just use one gas bottle. You just use one gas bottle in here. You don't need two, because your fridge and your heating, they consume the most. And this has a compressor fridge in the car. Now, what does this car then have for extra options? Not that much. It has LED daytime running lights in the front. Let me walk to the front. Might be able to show you. It's not that clear, but there are daytime running lights in here. It has the automatic air conditioning. So normally you have air conditioning during driving, but this has the fully automatic air conditioning. If I line up, yep, it's there. It comes with a solar panel. You can see here is the panel for the solar panel. That's an option. And you have the black wheels and the half leather interior. So that's everything, because all the other equipment is standard. I'm sure I missed some standard equipment. But you can see our website and see the complete list of standard items in this car. So like us, you might be interested in the Tourne as well, and you might love it like we do. If you do, please contact us and we can give you a full tour here in our showroom, or we do it with a video call like we do often. If you want to test drive or have more questions, please let us know. We trade in cars and campers, so you can also trade in your car, your current camper. And if you have more questions about this car here, or the red or blue one that we have here at the moment, please contact us as well. We can also order new ones. You have them in great colors, like a dark, there's a very nice dark gray, and there's a black one which really stands out. Just contact us and we'll see, and we'll make things possible. See you in the next video.